This is Ginny Brant with Unleash Your God-Given Healing. Today we're going to look at 9 simple ways to add more fiber to your diet. In a previous video, we learned 9 incredible benefits of fiber for our health. You can reference this video in the show notes below. But when you're not used to eating fiber, I know changes can be hard. Today we'll look at simple ways to add more fiber to your diet. This will enable us to enhance our microbiome and our gut, to lower our risk for many diseases, including heart disease, digestive diseases, diabetes, and cancer. Also will help us to reduce constipation, excess weight, and toxins, all while living longer. So here are the 9 simple ways to increase fiber in your diet. Number 1, start your day with water, but start it with fiber as well. This starts your day with the right nutrients. Choose a high fiber cereal with 5 or more grams of fiber and low sugar content. Here's one right here. I got it at Costco. It's organic and each serving is 6 grams of fiber. Look for cereals with whole grains, bran, or fiber in the name. And you can also add a few tablespoons of freshly ground flax seeds or chia seeds to it. My chocolate banana blueberry smoothie is a great way to jumpstart your day with a whopping 20 grams of fiber in 32 ounces. And that is close to half of the daily recommendation. Now this is especially important for the cancer patient going through chemotherapy and immunotherapy, where recent research at MD Anderson has shown that when a cancer patient eats 50 grams of fiber a day and 6 probiotic foods, they will fare better with chemo and immunotherapy. And here's that smoothie in 16 ounces, which would give you 10 grams of fiber. Number 2, eat more fruits and vegetables. They are rich in fiber, phytonutrients, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Our USDA is now recommending 10 to 13 servings per day. Avocados and 1 cup of blueberries provide 5 grams of fiber, so have at them. The fiber boost is just as important as the power of the phytochemicals and antioxidants. And here is a large Avozilla, like Godzilla, avocado with 4 times the fiber, probably 20 grams, but 4 times the calories, so be careful. Number 3, eat healthy snacks that contain fiber. Although high in calories, nuts and dried fruits are excellent sources of fiber. Discipline yourself to grab raw fruits and vegetables over sugary snacks. Hummus made from chickpeas is a great healthy snack. Anytime you choose a snack with healthy fiber, you slow the rate of glucose absorption, thereby avoiding blood sugar spikes, important in this day. So, avoid those high processed sugary snacks that spike your blood sugar. Number 4, bake more goods with whole grains. Add uncooked oatmeal, raw bran, wheat bran to baked goods. I do this in my chocolate chip cookie recipe. I use oatmeal ground up. And again, it slows down the rate that glucose is absorbed into the body, avoiding those blood sugar spikes. And here's another tip. Substitute whole wheat flour for half or all of the white flour when baking. I realize that some recipes just don't work as well unless some processed flour is used. You can also grind your own flour to boost the nutrients in the flour. And if you don't have a flour grinder, you can ask the specialty grain shop to grind the flour before you make your baked goods. All right, number 5, buy whole grains over processed grains. Look for the breads that list whole wheat or another whole grain as the first ingredient. And also have at least 2 grams of fiber per serving. Be willing to try other whole grain items such as brown rice, white rice, and whole wheat or brown rice pasta, such as I use in my spaghetti. We love Dave's organic whole wheat and seed breads. We buy 2 at a time at Costco and put 1 to freeze for later use. But look, 21 different grains and seeds. Whole wheat is first, and 5 grams per slice of fiber, and organic. Number 6, start every meal with a salad. Be sure to use a variety of vegetables and nuts, and sometimes fruit, in the salad. The more you crunch, the more fiber your body gets. And the more variety of fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds that you use only enhances your gut microbiome. Number 7, now very popular, substitute cauliflower and other ground nuts in recipes. I make a delicious cauliflower crust pizza. You can buy the crust already made with cauliflower. Many people are using cauliflower in place of rice. I also use almond flour in many recipes. Just use your imagination and you can have your children eating vegetables and added fiber hidden in many foods. Just don't tell your husband. There's no need for them to have to know. Number 8, leave the skin or peel on most fruits and vegetables, certainly not an avocado. But did you know that when you peel fruits and vegetables, you actually remove nearly half of the fiber? This insoluble fiber in the skin provides roughage for healthy digestion and prevents constipation. Important. When using apples or any fruit or vegetable which is high in pesticide residue, I suggest that you buy these organic, especially when you're eating the skin or the peel. And number 9, add flax, chia, or hemp seeds to your daily smoothie. Or even better, add all 3. I do this every day after hearing such top doctors such as Dr. Joel Fuhrman and Dr. Ann Kultz recommend this to their followers. I put all 3 in a jar in the refrigerator and then scoop out what I need in my smoothie every day. Now, a caution. Be sure to gradually add fiber into your diet. When eating lots of fiber, water intake must also go up because they work together. The fiber works best when it absorbs water as it moves through your digestive tract. Fiber and adequate water make your stools soft and bulky, and that's the way they need to be. If you use these 9 simple ways to add more fiber to your diet, your health will improve. And I want to repeat this because I've said it many times, but it's so important. The greatest lesson I learned in the cancer journey is that God didn't create our bodies to eat processed foods. He created our bodies to eat whole foods, which contain a lot of fiber and phytonutrients. So when you eat these whole foods filled with fiber, your body is going to naturally be healthy in so many ways. Whatever your problem is, increase fiber, increase water. Guess what? You will do better. I hope you've enjoyed the information in this video. I hope that you will subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share it with those who you think would be interested. Also, click the notification bell so you will know when I post new information. Until then, don't be afraid to crunch your way into better health. God bless.